Namaste. Welcome back to Smart Library Solutions. In part 3 of our Koha LMS cataloging series, we'll configure system preferences that control how your catalog displays and functions. Let's begin. Accessing cataloging system preferences, ensure you have administrative privileges. Koha provides 3 convenient ways to access cataloging preferences. Method 1. Log in to the Koha staff interface. Click Cataloging at the top right corner. Select Preferences. Method 2. Click the More drop-down in the top menu. Navigate to Cataloging, Preferences. Method 3. Go to Koha Administration in the staff interface. Click System Preferences. From the left side menu, select Cataloging. Cataloging system preferences in Koha. Koha's cataloging system preferences are organized into 6 main sections, each containing multiple customizable options with default values. Display controls how bibliographic records appear in the interface. Exporting manages settings for exporting records. Importing configures options for importing records. Interface adjusts cataloging screen layouts and user interactions. Record structure defines MARC frameworks and bibliographic field rules. Spine labels sets parameters for printing spine labels. Display preferences and their values. Acquisition details. Purpose controls the display of purchase information, e.g., price vendor fund, on bibliographic record detail pages. Default setting Show purchase details are visible. If set to Don't Show, details are hidden on the bibliographic page. Information remains accessible in the Acquisitions module. Authority Separator. Purpose defines how multiple authority values, example, subjects, authors, series, are separated in catalog records. Default value, double-hyphen customization options, pipe, comma, semicolon, or slash. Example, if set to pipe, displays as history, politics, sociology, hide MARC. Purpose controls the visibility of MARC tags, subfield codes, and indicators in bibliographic views. Default setting Show MARC details are visible. If set to Don't Show, MARC structural data, tags, subfields, indicators is hidden. Intranet Biblio Default View. Purpose sets the default display format for bibliographic records in the staff interface. Options: Normal, Standard Koha Detail View, recommended for most users. MARC, Full MARC Record View. Labeled MARC, Hybrid View with labels and MARC tags. ISBD format display. Default setting Normal, Action required. Click Save all cataloging preferences to apply. Open a bibliographic record to test the new view. Advanced Cataloging Preferences, ISBD Template. Purpose controls how bibliographic records are displayed in ISBD, International Standard Bibliographic Description format. Action required. Edit the template according to your library's ISBD display rules. Let Koha flow naturally. To maintain system reliability and consistency, we recommend keeping most preference settings at their default values. These defaults provide a tested and stable foundation for your operations. Adjust settings only when there is a specific operational requirement. The change aligns with your cataloging standards. You fully understand the implications of the change. Additional system preferences, default classification source. Recommended Dewey Decimal Classification, default. Alternatives, Library of Congress, LCC, Universal Decimal Classification, UDC. Select the scheme your library uses. Barcode generation. Default, not generated automatically. For custom systems, choose incremental numbering pattern-based generation. Match your library's workflow. Call number mapping map. Item call number to the correct MARC field. Dewey Decimal Classification, DDC 082AB, Library of Congress, LC 050AB, Universal Decimal Classification, UDC 080AB. Once updates are made, click Save All Cataloging Preferences at the top of the page. Then open a bibliographic record to verify that the call number displays correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully configured Koha's cataloging system preferences. Coming up in Part 4, learn to import records efficiently using the Z39.50 protocol. Stay tuned as we continue exploring Koha's full potential in our library cataloging series.